With the deluge will come change to the animals and to the forest. It's certainly perfect weather for frogs. The big storm is the cue for the most important climb of this frog's life. It's a male in search of a mate. But if he is to find one, he has to get to the top. He needs to keep his wits about him, for the rain also brings out hunters. Easy does it. The top at last. But he's late to the party. The higher a male sits, the further his voice will carry. So the top slots are worth fighting for. And he's won. He has the top place. So now it's time to sing. And a white-bellied female responds. They join together to mate. The loser will have to wait for the next storm before he sings again. She lays her eggs on a blade of a long leaf, and he, using his back legs, folds it over and glues its two edges together, shutting the eggs inside. This sealed nest is the safest place these leaf-folding frogs can find to protect their precious brood. Within days, the eggs are developing. The timing is perfect. The rain washes away the glue, and the tadpoles slip out of the leaves into the growing puddles below.